and hopefully watching me not screw it up. Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. If you watched our unboxing video, then you know over the next few weeks we're going to be cooking up some A5 Japanese Wagyu. Well, today we're not going to be cooking just any old Japanese Wagyu. We're starting off with the king of Wagyu, A5 Kobe beef. We're going to prepare this just the traditional Japanese way so we can really taste that Kobe beef flavor. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Of course, the star of the show is going to be this beautiful A5 Kobe New York strip. We'll need a little bit of sea salt, some wasabi, and a bit of soy sauce. Let's get cooking. I was doing some research on what to do with Kobe beef, how to cook it, and guys, there's not a lot of information out on the internet. It is really rare and difficult for home cooks like myself to get my hands on some A5 Wagyu, especially Kobe beef. But I did find an article on CrowdCow where the writer went to Japan and met with one of the top Japanese Kobe beef chefs, Chef Yamamoto. The chef taught him how to cook Kobe beef the traditional Japanese way, so we can really taste that Kobe beef flavor. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut this Kobe beef in about 1-inch strips. Now guys, this is not like our USDA choice or prime steaks that we typically eat. You know, you would eat like 8 ounces, 6 ounces. This is a lot different. Like, look at that marbling and that fat, it's super rich. So you're only gonna eat 1 ounce, maybe 2 ounces here. I'm gonna cook about 2 ounces up because of course my husband is gonna wanna try some as well. So once we have the steak cut, we're going to just pan sear it just for honestly like a minute to 90 seconds. All we're trying to do is just kind of melt that fat in the interior. We're not fully cooking this. Then we're gonna have a bite, just the beef. Nothing on it, just so we could really taste that flavor. We'll have 1 bite in some sea salt, 1 bite we'll put some wasabi on it and soy sauce. And the chef says that's how you truly experience Kobe beef. Now normally before I film, I try out my recipes, I know they're good. With this it's a little different. Japanese Wagyu, like I talked about before, is really hard to get. It's super expensive, so we don't have a lot of it. So I have never cooked Kobe beef before, so we're gonna learn together and see how this turns out. All right, let's cut into this thing. Just like feels like butter on your hands. It's crazy. As soon as you touch it, it feels like it starts melting. But first, I'm gonna cut off a little bit of this fat because we're gonna grease our pan with that. Just a little bit of fat. Oh geez, it just cuts through like butter. It's crazy. All right, that's all we need. So this is almost like bacon. You don't have to grease your pan. You don't use oil or butter or anything like that. But the chef said that greasing your pan with a little bit of the A5 fat helps the steak release and produces a more juicy steak. All right, so let's just cut off this piece. Oh my gosh, slices through. Look at that, holy cow, that looks incredible. All right, let's save this for future use. Here we go, let's cook the steak. Let's turn on our stove. We want it medium high. Let's let it heat up. Okay, let's rub a little bit of this fat to grease our pan. What kind of, oops, it's like sticky. There we go. Let's throw it on there. Oh man. Look at that. Oh. You can see all that fat just melting off. All right, let's flip this thing. Oh, look at that beautiful sear. Oh my gosh. Get the sides. All right, let's cut into it. right, they look absolutely beautiful. The color is gorgeous red. Cannot wait to get a bite of this. So, like I said earlier, I'm just gonna taste one piece without anything on it. Oh. All right, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wow. The most tender piece of beef I've ever had, and honestly, it doesn't need salt. It doesn't need anything at all. It's incredible. All right, let's get some sea salt on one of these. Let's sprinkle a little bit of sea salt, not much. All right. Oops. Oh my gosh. I can't even explain it, but it is just, oh my gosh, you guys have to try Kobe beef one day. Holy crap. It melts in your mouth. All right, last bite. Well, last bite I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put some wasabi on it and dunk it in soy sauce. Let's get a little bit of this. Spread it on. Right, soy sauce. Let's try it. It's amazing. Wow. I could get used to this. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook Kobe beef. If you guys want to get some for yourself, there's a link in the description below to Chef Steve Brown's website where you can buy it. I'll be cooking up another cut of Japanese A5 Wagyu next week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey do.